Hi guys, this is REALME C17 and today I will show you how to set mobile data limit on it. First step to do that, is navigate to the setting where we choose first option, SIM card and mobile data. After that we go to the data usage and mobile data limit where we have our option. To turn on it, we must switch on set monthly data limit, confirm all by OK. And now we can set monthly data limit in gigabyte or megabyte. It can be 5 gigabyte. And we can set monthly data alerts, which alerts us if we use, in this case, 4 gigabyte of mobile data. But we can change it for megabyte or gigabyte, what we want. And the last option is set date for data usage starts. And we can choose first day of every month. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye!